Have you ever wondered how an architect works in a construction project? From designing the blueprint to ensuring everything comes to life on site. Today we'll uncover the answers as we talk to architect Liz, an expert in design and construction management. We'll dive into their experiences, challenges, and the teamwork involved in turning concepts into reality.
So I have similar experience in managing construction, especially in Abida Richview Estates, New Valley, wherein the homeowners assigned me to redesign and construct their boardroom. So the specific task of the job is to manage the people, especially the skilled workers, the foreman, the scheduling of the project, and also the budget. I also prepare the bill of materials as well. So every day I deal with the foreman, especially on what task the workers will do on that day. Also materials, kami rin yung namumuha ng materials. So dito sa small project na to, less yung documents kasi homeowners lang naman yung nandun. So bali gumawa kami ng logbook, construction logbook. Pero dun sa bigger na company na napagtrabuhan ko, which is Plaza and Partners, merong mga tinatawag na RFA and RFI. So yung RFA and RFI, it means request for approval and request for information. So yung mga contractor doon, nagsisend sila ng document na request for approval kung meron silang gustong baguhin doon sa plano. Na for example, ang nakita pala nila sa site is iba yung elevation niya. Tapos yung plano ay mali yung elevation. So they will send a document which is a request for approval na ma-change yung elevation nung specific area na yan. So those are the documents that we are handling. Challenges kasi you are handling people, di ba? So especially at my age, di ba? I am quite young and I'm also a female, especially in the construction industry, di ba? It's quite a challenge na to tell people what to do, na they will respect you on your age and on your gender. And also yung isa naman, schedule na kapag maunti na yung budget on how you will maximize that. 150,000 lang. Tapos marami ka pang ibang kailangan bilihin, paano pagkakasya yan, diba? So meron kaya tayo may tinatawag na value engineering, which is you will buy materials na cheaper pero quality. The advantages of a job, especially a full-time construction supervisor, is you will get to know construction from start to finish, diba? You will see from birth to end of the construction. Makita mo, kunwari, lalo na kung na-handle mo is from excavation, di ba? So makikita mo kung paano ma-excavate, nag-hukay sila, makikita mo yung paglalagay ng footing, na kasi kapag especially sa school, nakikita mo ng all drawings, di ba? Hindi mo nakikita actual. So you will get to know that, you will get to see the prices of the materials, you will get to coordinate with engineers, contractors, and different people. You will have connections. So yung actually nga, the connections that I got from my previous job, sila din yung engineers na kinukuha ko sa maliliit kong projects ngayon. So, yun yung magagandang benefits ng being a construction supervisor, di ba? So, kaya huwag niyong i-disregard yung mga connections na nakukuha nyo from your previous job.